Hello everyone. Today let's talk about rear wheel hub oil seal. This seal is made of rubber and there is metal. It with spring. Look, this is spring and with skeleton. This is a black color and we also can customize the red brown color. This size is internal diameter is 56, external diameter is 115, and the sink is 10. It also have OEM number. This OEM number is MB308966. You can through this OEM number find this. And it also have many following features. The first one is vulcanized at low temperature, with longer service life and more wear resistance. Good structure, aging resistance and oil leakage prevention, moth-proof water, ticking spring and ticking skeleton. If you like this, just send us our inquiries. We can send you free samples. Welcome everyone to inquire and order.